Well, happy Monday, first grade. I'm so happy to see you. Um, I wanted to talk to you about an activity that, what? What do you mean? He's, you guys, when did you get here? Look who's back. It's Rashid. He's back from his trip. Oh, we've missed you, Rashid. Did you enjoy New York? You did? Oh, I'm so glad. I know you left us like these blueprints and you told us about a project, but we weren't ready for it yet. Do you think we're ready now? Oh, so we know all of our Val teams? Is that what you're telling me? And so now we can work on our special project? Oh, Rashid, I'm so excited. You guys, I didn't even know Rashid was here. He said he's left us. Oh, I'm having a thing here. All right. That he left us a special project. I'm so excited because, we've been looking at those blueprints and we knew a special project was coming, but we had to wait till we knew all our Val teams. And what do you know? Guys, we know them. It's so exciting. Let's take a look at what we're going to do. Now, it's going to be a little different today because for today's lesson, you're just going to listen. I'm not asking you to do anything. Isn't that crazy? All you have to do is listen to Mrs. Arbini talk. And what could be better than that? Because tomorrow, you have an asynchronous day, all of you. So boys and girls at Avery, boys and girls in my class, everybody is asynchronous tomorrow. And so we're going to have a little project for you to work on that Rashid left because, this is a really fun project and we want you to have lots of time to create and explore. And if, this was a regular year in a regular classroom, we would be making this like an all day kind of fun project, but it's not. And so we're going to make it a really fun at-home project that you can hopefully share back with us at school. So all you have to do today is listen. And if you can do that, then you'll be ready for your activity tomorrow. So I'm noticing that Rashid typed me a little note. It says, let's build Vowel Town. Do you think that's what his blueprints have been for all along? Vowel Town? He wants us to build a Vowel Town. I wonder what that's going to look like. Well, let's take a look. Oh, okay. So we have this looks like a map almost. Would you say that's a map? We've got some streets here or roads. We've got some things on the side. I wonder how we're going to turn this into a vowel town because I don't see any vowels. Oh, you know what? I bet some of these things we're going to add to vowel town. I bet they have vowel teams in them. What do you think? Okay, well, let's try. The first thing I want to take a look at here is, well, we have kind of like this road system set up. Let's think about the word road for a second. Now I'm going to use my my vowel team linking chart. And I'm going to see if I see a vowel team that would work in road. Take a look for a moment. Does anyone see? Yeah. Road makes the O sound like boat. So you know what I'm going to do? I think this is what Rashid would want us to do. I'm going to grab a sticky, but you can just use you can just write on a piece of paper. You don't have to do anything right now. But when you make your vowel town, I'm using stickies because that's what I have. You can use whatever you want. You know what I'm going to do? I am going to label these parts of our town with words that we've made from vowel teams. And then what do you know? We're going to have a town full of vowels. That's perfect. Rashid, that's such a good idea. I should have known that's what he was working on. All right, so he's provided us with all sorts of pictures here. So we're going to set up our town. So I've got this right here, road, and I'm not going to put one everywhere because we know if this is a road, then all of this is a road. And so let me take a look here. What do we have? Ooh, I think I'm going to put this right here. Maybe right here in the middle. What do you guys think that is? It's a school, right? Now it kind of says it on the school. So I think Rashid gave us a little hint, but let's take a look. School. It makes the ooh sound in the middle. Do we have anything on our linking chart that makes the ooh sound? Moon. Makes the ooh sound like moon. So let's think about how we're going to spell school. Now I know that it's there, but it's kind of small. So let's see here. Sk. School. Okay, I'm going to use that O vowel team. All right, and I'm going to take that label and I'm going to shrink it down and I'm going to stick it right here so we all know that that is school. Okay, let's see what's next. Oh, you guys, you know what the, uh-oh. Hold on, let me move this. Do you guys know what this is? It's a traffic light, right? Where do you think we should put this in our town? Well, maybe kind of by the school. Don't you think this is a good corner for a traffic light? So this is light. Light. Let's take a look. Let's take a look at our vowel teams. Light. Is there anything on this page? No. Light. Well, hey, what do you know? This is the word light right here. We're going to use the IGH vowel team. That 3-letter kind of super tricky vowel team. IGH for light. Who would have thought? Oh boy, that's so great, Rashid. That makes it easy peasy for us. Light. Perfect. All right, I'm going to shrink that down. And I'm going to come here and I'm going to label light in our vowel town. Now let's see, what else does he have? Ooh, do you guys know what these are? Let me see if I can stretch it out and make it, well, maybe I wanted to make it a little bit bigger. All right. So I'm going to put these, well, that's awfully close to the school, but I have a really small vowel town and you might have a bigger one. All right, so what are these called, guys? They're called train tracks. So let's think about the word train for a second. Let's see if there's a vowel team that would help us with train. Train. Do you see one? Guys, rain, train. What do you think? I think I could actually use this helping word, this linking word that I have, rain, to make the word train. Holy moly. I'm so excited. Train tracks. I use that vowel team AI. So I'm going to, again, shrink it down. And I'm going to slide it over here to label our train tracks in our vowel town. Okay, so let's see what else we got over here. What is this? Ooh, this is fun. I think actually I'm going to put it here by the school. Might be saying it's a park, but I don't think he would have left us a park because there are no vowel teams in park. But there are 2 in playground. Guys, do you think that's a playground? Because I see like a slide set and a swing set. It looks like kind of those hanging bars and a jump rope and hopscotch. I think this is playground. So I'm actually going to move my road label over here because we have so many roads to choose from. Playground. Holy moly. All right, let me pull up a sticky and then let's take a look. First thing is play. Now, you should know this because it's a snap word, but what vowel team do we see in play? Yeah, AY like in tray. Tray, play. And you actually should already know play from our snap word wall. But how about ground? Ow. It's going to make that ow sound, ground. So do you think it's ow like cloud? Huh? Or ow like flower? Well, I'm going to type it both ways and we'll figure it out. We know it's either ow like cloud or ow like flower. So let's take a look. We know it's play. Easy peasy. I'm going to write ground. Do you think that looks right? Ground. It makes the ow sound, but really when I look at this and I see that OW, I want to say grow. And it looks more like playground. I don't think that's right. Let me try it with OU like cloud. Hey, that looks pretty good. Playground. Good. Oh, except I put the sticky in the wrong place. Hold on. Let's move it to this. Whoop, too far. Let's move it to this one. Play. And then I'm going to go ground with the OU from cloud. Playground. There we go. And so I'm going to label my playground. Okay. So I did this all in Jamboard, and obviously that's not what you're going to be doing tomorrow. I'm going to show you what you're going to get. Each of you is going to get a packet, and if you're virtual, we'll have these packets up for you at school on Monday and Tuesday morning, and you're going to get, it looks a lot like this, Okay, these are the materials that Rashid left to make Vowel Town. And he has all sorts of words in here that you can add to your picture or pictures to make Vowel Town. He's got, what are these? Clouds, right? Skateboard has a vowel team in it. So everything that's pictured, house, mailbox, everything that's pictured, guys, is going to have a vowel team in it. And the words that are here, scooter, blue Jeep, those all have vowel teams in them as well. Now, the nice thing about these is you can just use your scissors and cut these apart to make your own vowel town. And if you have a piece of poster board, you can do it that way. If you have construction paper, you can do it that way. You don't even have to use these specific items that Rashid has sent you. You can use some of the things that I use. Obviously, mine looks a little bit different because I'm doing it on the computer. So if you come up with some other things, if you want to kind of sketch out this grid like I have with the roads and everything, that's fine. It's totally your call. But I want you to make a vowel town of your very own, either using drawings. You can cut things out of magazines. You can cut things out of newspapers or advertisements, or you can use this packet we're sending you. And I want you to build your very own vowel town. And I also want you to use your alphabet linking chart. So I don't know how your teachers are going to want to do that. I'll probably make a copy of our vowel town chart, so our vowel team chart, so that you don't have to take yours home. I know my students already have it at home, so that's no big deal. But I want you to spend time on Tuesday working on building a vowel town. And on each and everything that you add, when it has a vowel team, I want you to check your vowel team linking chart to make sure you're using the right vowel team. And your teachers will let you know what to do with your vowel town pieces. Sometimes a teacher might want you to bring it back to class. I know my students, we're going to be doing some showing and sharing on Wednesday. So I want my students to hold on to theirs. So your teacher will give you directions about that. But the packet and everything you need to do this activity will be given to you. My virtual students, you can pick it up Monday during the day or Tuesday morning. And have fun making Vowel Town. This is the end celebration of a huge unit on vowel teams. And I couldn't be more proud of you or more excited to see the vowel towns that you're going to create. Have a great day, guys, and I will see you on Wednesday.